man out here for? Could it be for money? Yes. Now guys, an average donation for a show like this is $20. If you don't have 20, give me 2 tens. If you don't have 2 tens, give me 4 fives. But seriously guys, if you don't have no money and you feel like you don't want to give, do not walk away. Do not walk away. I love what I do and I just want to make you happy guys. So if you don't have money, usually don't take money from kids. But today was your lucky day. Make some noise for Pakistan! I'm coming, sweetie. Any donation guys? Stop the show. Stop the show. Hey Mark, it's not 20, it's not 40 like Pakistan, but it's $10 from India. Make some noise, guys. Come on, let's step it up, India. Thank you. Oh. Let's go. Florida. Stop the show. Make some noise from Montreal, Cyprus. You guys have free healthcare. Montreal, ça va mon frère? Tu vas bien? La famille, les amis, les enfants, les éléphants, tu vas bien? C'est formidable. $5 from Montreal. No, don't clap for that, Thank you. Stop the show. Hey Marcos, you're not gonna believe this. I got another $20 all the way from Vietnam.
Make some noise for Texas. Hey, you know what they say, everything bigger in Texas now. Everything bigger in Texas.
Your own show. I just got another $10 all the way from Pakistan. Make some noise for Pakistan, y'all. I love you, Pakistan. Thank you. What about you? You've been holding me the whole time. Where are you from? Where are you from? This is, I'll take the video. Let's go, sweetie. I'm gonna go with you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Any malicious something about?
Just stand on it, don't change it up. I had a kitty with nothing compared. Roll elevator, let's roll on the steps. Run into you when I'm smoking your legs. I'm calling this hot cause it's up in the air. I was not too
Stop the show.
Oh my God.
Stop the show. Pakistan, it's okay. It's not $20, but it's $10 from India. It's okay. Make some noise, y'all. Make some noise for India, y'all. Come on. I'm coming. Any more donation, guys? Stop the show. Stop the show. Stop. Oh. Where are you from, sir? Stop the show. Stop the show. You better make a lot of best for Palestine. Yeah. We got 40 bucks all the way for Palestine, y'all. Any more donation, guys, right there? Hey guys, I just got $10 from this little kid. I asked him where he's from and he said my mommy. Make some more for England! Smile. Go back to your mom, ask for $20. Stop the show. Guys right here, turn around and face me. Beautiful people, thank you for your donation. Now get ready for the jump. Turn around and face me. Everybody face me. Everybody. You know what? Oh my gosh. Wait. There's $25? You are safe. Come with me. You gave $25? You're safe. VIP section. Turn around and face me. Okay. Stop it right there. Kid, come here. Hamza. You cannot be with these people right here. Philippine right here. Oh, Vietnam. Now guys, listen up. There's a very big jump. Jersey, focus. The jump goes like this. Boom. Sushi everywhere. I love you a long time. Now guys, everybody here donate except for you guys. $20, you save your life. I'm gonna put you in the front. Safe. $50, you can leave and never come back. $100, I go home with you tonight, me and this guy. All right? No, I'm just joking. Come back. Let me start with the happiest one. Don't say that there, Lord. Hey, Lord, let me start with the happiest one. Sir, step up. Where are you from? Make some noise for India! Now, India, they never let me down in India. Any donation from your heart. He's going in. India just gave a hug. Shahrukh Khan, a hug. You got a lot of 20s. Just give me 120. Yeah, jump with that one. Wait there. I see it.
Somebody give it up.
You're holding. Yep, right there. 50, I got you. Stop the show, Mark. some noise! What is he talking about? It's a 4th of July in New York City. We hear that shit, boy. Who lit the fireworks? Shit, hey, cop, shoot something. Wow, wow. You know what I was saying on the show? You miss my name. He's something about you.
Hey, shout out my baby girl. I love you. That's my wife. What are you talking about?
When I call you on my cell phone, I call you back and see what you gonna tell. You ain't gotta hear no ifs, ands, or buts from you, say.
So you got to don't need no moderation in this dance.